Today I'm going to tell you how to connect your wallet in Blum. So let's start to the video. So here it's loading. Just claim it. After that you have to go to wallet option. Okay, click on connect wallet. After that click on tone keeper. After that it will redirect to your application of tone wallet. Okay, just wait and see. Okay, it's loading. Click on connect button. After that it will ask for your security password, so enter your security password of tone wallet. After that here you can check it. It's connecting redirect back to Telegram. Here just wait. Here you can check that wallet is active. Okay,